Ethereum is the world's second largest cryptocurrency with multi-billion dollars worth of market cap. These days, banks and corporates are starting to realize the potential of Ethereum and have been officially making statements that they are bullish on the project. Ethereum has undoubtedly proven to be a great success so far, but you could be surprised to learn that this multi-billion worth project was created by a 19-year-old kid who dropped out of university. Welcome back to our Crypto Celebrity series on Crypto Gems. My name is Jemmy. Today we're looking at Vitalik Buterin, the math genius with an IQ of 257. Vitalik was born and lived in Russia until the age of 6, and then his parents decided to immigrate to Canada for the sake of better employment opportunities. When he was in that grade of primary school, he was discovered that he has a gift in math, and that was placed in a program for the gifted only. But even within the gifted group, Vitalik is still the smartest one, with his head worked twice as fast as the average person of his age, and showing an interest in economics in such a young age. However, when it comes to socializing, Vitalik is 100% introvert. Just like me. At his early age, people would go over to Vitalik wanting to meet this math genius that everyone in school talked about, but Vitalik was not too comfortable with it at all. He was purely academic focused, at the same time really enjoyed playing World of Warcraft. On a random night in 2010, Vitalik was playing video games as usual, but Blizzard decided to remove the damage component from his favorite Warlock Siphon life skill. This upset the junior Vitalik and he sobbed himself to sleep, and that was also the first time Vitalik realized the importance of decentralization. In 2011, he came across Bitcoin. At first, he was really suspicious, just like any of us did, because why would we believe in this internet money thing over USD, right? Vitalik was just the same. He couldn't understand the value of Bitcoin while there's no physical backing there. As time went on, he learned more and became mesmerized with Bitcoin. He wanted to explore more in the field, but he had neither the computing power to mine nor the cash to buy Bitcoin, so he looked for work in Bitcoin on various forums and eventually began writing articles for a blog, earning him about 5 Bitcoin per article, which was worth about $5. His articles then attracted Mihai Elisi, leading to the co-founding Bitcoin magazine in late 2011. He was writing, he was traveling, and he was working on crypto for over 30 hours a day, and hence he decided to quit uni to focus on looking at various crypto projects. After spending some time on different protocols, he realized that it's possible to massively generalize the protocols so that there will be more actual use cases than merely sending transactions from one person to another. Users can actually use a platform that is decentralized, and this is when he had the idea of Ethereum. In late 2013, Vitalik dropped this idea about Ethereum in a white paper and sent out to his friends. About 30 people reached out to Vitalik to discuss the concept. The project was publicly announced in January 2014, with the core team consisting of Vitalik himself, Mihai Elisi, Charles Hoskinson, who later founded the project Cardano, and Gavin Wood, who founded Polkadot. They raised money through an ICO of Ether, which is a native token of the Ethereum network. The team raised 31,000 Bitcoin from the sale of ETH, which was worth around $18 million at that time. Just so you thought everything went smoothly for Ethereum, things just went south, because that's just how life works.
I get it. Shit happens.
Apart from building decentralized application or dApps, the Ethereum platform enables users to set up and run its own DAOs. In 2016, the DAO raised over 150 million in ETH, but the DAO was hacked due to the flaws in its code base. At first, Vitalik proposed a soft fork to just take snippets of the code, blacklist the attackers, and prevent them from moving the stolen money. However, the smart contracts regulation actually protected the hackers by loophole, so that the hackers were able to claim the funds legally. This left Vitalik no choice but to hard fork the network, but that was a controversial move because blockchain people don't like the idea of intervening, as they believe that a blockchain network should be completely decentralized and censorship resistant. Others think that such steps were necessary and don't mean decentralization is a lie. Instead, every new idea is centralized to begin with and they need protection. Early Bitcoin and Ethereum were no different. So guess what? Vitalik forked the network. For the rest of people who didn't agree with the fork, stay on the original chain, and this is why you see there are actually two Ethereums existing today, Ethereum Classic ETC and Ethereum ETH. By far, history has proved that the Ethereum ETH is the more widely accepted one, with huge support from financial titans like JP Morgan and Citigroup. Another distinction between them is that Ethereum right now has officially switched from proof of work to proof of stake, while Ethereum Classic still relies on mining. This is one major upgrade to the network, as it can help Ethereum scale in the long run, even though lots of people are judging this move too. Ethereum's proof of stake will increase the risk of censorship, therefore greater centralization. This is because in order to become a validator on the network, you have to stake at least 32 ETH, and that is hell of money. Let's say one ETH is worth about $1,500 and it will cost a validator $45,000 to run a node. Bear in mind the cost will increase drastically if Ethereum starts pumping again. Most people wouldn't have that much money randomly laying around, not to mention the lock-in period is quite long too. What proof of stake makes the public do is to push people to stake with custodians, meaning centralized exchanges like Binance and Coinbase, due to simplicity and the fact that they don't have 32 ETH. Now, another problem has arisen. Large companies now have a majority share of the network. More ETH from one entity also means more control. Let's see if Vitalik managed to fix this problem too. After all, a lot of us were wrong about the hard fork in 2016, and turns out Ethereum is one of the most significant players in the crypto space existing till today. The truth is, even if that means the way Ethereum securing network is more centralized now, this doesn't mean it will discourage developers from building on Ethereum because of all this network effect is built up from all these past years. So what do you guys think? Do you think Ethereum will solve the challenges of centralization or scalability? Or do you think there will be other competitors popping up to replace Ethereum? Tell me everything in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more crypto celebrities videos like this, make sure you check out our last update about CC. In the meanwhile, if you want more regular updates from me, make sure you follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for more regular updates. And I'll see you guys in the next one.